Hi guys, Darren and Sean again from Helping Partners. So once again, JobKeeper is the biggest package that the government has announced, and rightly so. They've instigated a whole raft of integrity measures aimed at ensuring that people who need it are getting it. So I thought we'd just have a quick chat with Sean again, just about the audit process, integrity measures, and what he's seeing coming out of the government. So Sean, what are the integrity measures that you're seeing the ATO introduce and analyse in regards to JobKeeper and eligibility?
So we're seeing some really early signs of the ATO starting an audit program to ensure that people are accessing the JobKeeper program fairly and aren't exploiting it. And that audit activity is really going to be making sure that, number one, people have their paperwork in place, and number two, employees are passing the JobKeeper payments onto their employees. Employers who aren't able to provide the right evidence to the ATO initially could have their JobKeeper payments suspended, which would be a big hit to Cashflow. And there are other penalties there as well for people who are doing the wrong thing. So the message isn't don't access JobKeeper. The message is make sure you've got your paperwork in order so that if you do receive a JobKeeper audit, you can provide the paperwork quickly and get on with business.
So Sean, what paperwork are the ATO asking for, and what paperwork should people have in place before they apply?
Yeah, Darren, so the three key things for people to have in place are, number one, documentation to establish how you satisfy the 30% reduction in turnover test. Number two, making sure you have all your employee JobKeeper declarations signed and on file. Number three, making sure you can demonstrate that you've passed the JobKeeper payment onto your employees. Now for step number three, for people with single touch payroll, that information's already provided to the ATO, so they don't need to worry about that.
Okay. So Sean, once people have done that, one of the big issues is how they cash flow the payments. Mm-hmm. Some of our clients have already cash flowed 6 weeks or 3 fortnights of wages to their employees, and they have no revenue. Are the banks helping out in any way, or what are you seeing there?
It's a bit of a mixed bag, Darren. So I know that the federal government was hopeful that the banks were going to step into the void and provide some widespread funding to allow people to access JobKeeper. That hasn't always been the case. Seeing for some clients, they have been able to access additional lending or financial support for banks to fund JobKeeper payments. Others haven't been able to. So if you experience some cash flow problems or you're not able to properly fund JobKeeper payments, I would recommend you reach out as soon as possible. Talk to your bank, talk to your accountant, get some professional advice. This JobKeeper program is going to last for 6 months, so we're talking about a long-term cash flow issue. So the sooner businesses can solve that, the better for them and their staff.
Thanks, Sean. So once again, we keep talking and we keep saying you need to seek professional advice from your accountant, business advisor, or give us a call if you're at all uncertain about your eligibility and what you need to do to qualify and to maintain qualification for JobKeeper. It's a massive amount of money the government is giving out. And if you get it wrong, it will cost you money. If you get it right, it'll be a massive benefit to your business and your employees and our economy in general. So thanks for listening once again. And remember, seek professional advice about all of the government packages, please. Thank you.